Marian here, potential. So, this is our Shopee haul for ano ba ngayon? February. So, share natin ang ating Shopee haul. What is our Shopee haul? Thank you, Daniel, for facilitating our Shopee haul. Ayan, kasi syempre lagi yatang requirement ang bubble wrap sa mga order online, no? Kahit sa office, all our orders are naka-shop ng bubble wrap. Sabi natin yung bubble wrap. Pag napadala tayo kay tita sa yan, it's the brown shampoo for hair color. Yan. It's a shampoo from Shopee. Yan. Yan. Thank you, Daniel, for facilitating our Shopee order. Ayan. Hair coloring siya. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.